Hey YouTube, so you're about to see some videos a little bit out of order. That's like fine, whatever. So anyway, I'm at my seasonal campsite. You can see here it's like all packed up, like the awning is already in and all the chairs and everything are all pulled in. And yeah, I know I don't post a bunch of camping videos that often, mainly because the coronavirus is going on, and like I would probably get controversial like kind of things, you know, like why didn't you wear your mask, or why did you wear your mask, or like whatever. So like I'm kind of like, I don't want any of the drama, so it's right now it's mostly just Jeep videos that we're posting. But you're gonna see a couple travel videos and a couple short camping videos, but not like as much as I was hoping. But you'll see more hopefully soon. So anyway, well, like what am I doing outside my camper? Like, cause I'm talking a lot, right? So I'm getting ready to go to rockrun, and there's gonna be an XRock and SLRC competition. And you're gonna get to see a bunch of rock like bouncers and buggies and crazy stuff, doing all kinds of crazy stuff. But in order to go film it, like I have to take the camper over there, so you're gonna get to see some camping footage of rockrun. So anyway, we will see you guys at rockrun shortly, because the video is just gonna, you know, fast forward to it. Hey YouTube, so important note, always check everything. The bathroom vent was still up, so I guess that's one more thing to add to the checklist. But here we are, we're all hooked up and ready to go to rockrun. So I don't know, 2 hours of driving from here-ish, and then we'll be in rockrun.
Hey YouTube, so this is basically maybe 3 hours from AOAA in the direction of Pennsylvania, and this is rockrun on the right hand side. This is the entrance to it, and it has this like really easy to get into entrance, and you go up to a large parking lot that's similar to AOAA or Roush, but it's really nicely paved, and I believe this is Pennsylvania ran. I think it's kind of government-ish. That's the welcome office there, the blue kind of building there with the blue awning, and everybody pulls in here. They go get their passes for wheeling or camping or whatever they're gonna do, and then they go up to this other area, and if they're gonna go camping, they actually get escorted to their campsite. So this little side-by-side in front of me is gonna escort me to my campsite. I'm fully checked in right now. They do not have a dump station anywhere in the park. We will do a full review of the campground, and there's going to be a whole lot of video of this park, so you can just see it. The left is extended parking lot, and there's also like a shower area and a restroom area on the left. This is the Claymore campground that we were headed to, if you're just like curious which one we're headed to. Claymore is the newest campground, and in my mind it's the nicest because it has power, which is like really nice because you can have air conditioning and stuff. So they're all pull-throughs, and it's basically 2 rows that look like this, and you just pull in, and this is my site right here, where I'm going to be camping at.
Hey YouTube, so we made it to rockrun, and this is a campsite at rockrun that we're at. I'll do a little drive around and let you see it.
Hey, so make sure you subscribe. So I'm going to give you a little preview of what's coming up in the next couple videos from XRock and SLRC.